Schedule post for your Facebook page with simplified, easy to use content. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule post for your Facebook page. So you can do this with simplified, easy to use content calendar. You can access the content calendar on the left hand side menu by hovering your mouse over this icon and then choosing content calendar. Once you're on the calendar, you will be able to see an overview of all of your social media posts organized in one space. We can create a new post by clicking this new post button in the upper right hand corner or going to your desired date and then clicking this plus icon. Make sure that your Facebook page icon is highlighted in the top toolbar. And now we are going to upload our media by clicking this plus icon and either browsing from our media library with all of our saved projects or browsing Simplified's fantastic stock libraries of images and videos. Go ahead and select your project, download as a PNG if you are uploading an image or as a video if you are uploading a video, and then click export now. Now all that's left to do is writing in our captions, and don't forget you can use the AI assistant right within the content calendar to help you write the perfect Facebook caption. You can add emojis by selecting this icon here, and now we are ready to schedule. By hitting this drop down menu, we can either publish or post now or add it to our queue to publish later or schedule for a specific date and time. And there you go. That's how you can schedule posts for your Facebook page. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.